Hey guys, just come across this nice looking house which is in progress of getting demolished to make way for apartments, so I'm going to try and make my way in there and show you guys around. Just making the way to the front door. And the place has got barely any windows. Come on, focus. Thank you. Nice old fireplace there. Yeah, I'm kind of new to this, so yeah, I won't be doing any upstairs or downstairs bits in this house. Oh wow, look at this. Now that's old. Interesting colour. And it's back to where the entry to the basement is. Yeah, the stairs feel extremely unstable, so I definitely won't be going up there. Being my third house, I don't necessarily want to fall through the floor just now. Alrighty, so that's all I'll show you of this one. There's actually two other houses that I'm going to try and explore, so stay tuned for them, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.